स्वागत है आप सभी का 2025 के सबसे बड़े फिनटेक इवेंट में, जिसका पार्ट बन चुका है सन क्रिप्टो। यहाँ हम बात करेंगे कुछ बहुत ही अमेजिंग ट्रेडर से और जानेंगे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स और उनकी ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजीज। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Hello traders. Today I'm here with Ms. Smita Parikh, who is India's leading trainer and trader of stock market. So, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Great. Cambridge has been a lovely experience.
Okay.
Yes.
So, here's your first question. Would you classify yourself primarily as a trader or an investor?
I'm a trader for sure.
Why?
Investment is something that we do. It's something that happens organically. We've been doing it since a while. But today, trading is something that gives you an edge. It gives you something that when you're looking for money flow, when you're looking for a regular income, trading is what it does.
Okay.
What does it for you?
So you're a trader. Which trading strategy do you personally follow and find most effective?
So I generally follow the price action strategy because price action is something that this is a leading indicator, and obviously your command over trends is very important. Once you understand the trends, once you understand the direction of the price move, once you understand the speed of the price move, and then when you apply the price action study to it, it gives you the turning points of the prices.
Okay.
So yes.
Okay. Then my last question: one single advice for those who are beginners in the trading world.
Do not burn your money. Always learn. Make educated decisions because money is important to everybody. So don't gamble in the stock market. It's a great place to make money, but don't gamble. Learn and make informed decisions.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your initial advice.
Thank you.
Thanks. Today I am with Himanshu Mehta, who is a long-term investor and a trading expert. So how are you, sir?
All good, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. So my first question is, which asset class you are currently trading or investing in? Is it crypto, is it stocks, forex, or commodities?
So primarily my portfolio is into equities
Okay.
and some in gold.
Okay.
Right.
What are your views on the current market situation?
I think it's a fairly tough phase for the investors right now because since COVID, everybody was used to say upwards of 20% per annum in general. But for long-term investors, I think it's a good time to buy and collect more blue chip companies right now.
Okay. So what's your highest return till date as an investor?
Highest return was on a particular stock, BSE. I think it gave me 400% return in say about a year and a half.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So what one advice you will give to beginners who are thinking to be an investor in the stock market? Yeah.
So I think every investor should at least study the fundamental of any asset class they're investing in. I think that's where our generation lacks. They go with the flow. So whatever is going on, for example, after COVID, the equity market was on all-time high. So when you don't enter a market when it's on all-time high, you have to be consistent in any asset class. I think gold also has given a very good return in the last 25-30 years.
Yes.
And I think any asset class will give you a good return if you're consistent in it. So be consistent. Don't stop investing when the market is down, and don't increase your investment when the market is high.
Okay. Thank you so much for all the insightful knowledge.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Learn karo, grow karo. Today I am with Devesh Pahuja, who is an OTC desk trader. Hi, Devesh.
Hi.
So the first question is, which asset class do you trade in? Is it crypto, stocks, forex, or commodity?
So I trade in crypto and stocks both.
Okay, so you are, I guess, more of a trader or an investor?
Yeah, I'm a trader, but right now I'm trying to convert into an investor because I've seen
Okay.
especially in cryptocurrencies,
Okay.
if you buy regularly and hold a cryptocurrency, it gives you a tremendous return.
Okay, so what are the top 3 picks of the crypto market from your side?
For me, it would be always Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana.
Okay. What's the highest return you have made in one day, or I should say till date? What's the highest return you have made from any crypto?
Highest return in percentage wise.
In percentage wise you can say, or you can say in money as well.
Yeah, so in percentage wise, my Bitcoin portfolio is about 50% right now.
Great.
because I've seen, I've been investing in Bitcoin over the past 4 years.
Okay.
I have seen Bitcoin at 30 lakhs. I've seen it at 65 lakhs. Again, I've seen it at 20 lakhs. And now we have seen a 1 crore landmark also.
How you're seeing the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming past year? 5 years.
Yeah, I think Bitcoin is the future. And obviously, after the Trump and America's adoption, I think the bull run, this is just the start of the bull run.
Obviously. So, what's the one advice that you will give to those who are planning to join crypto market?
Those who are planning to join crypto market, the one and only advice would be, since crypto is very volatile in nature, you should, and it is available in fractions.
Yes.
So you should always buy it regularly in small amounts, and you should have a longer term horizon.
Okay. Thank you so much for all the knowledge you gave. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm here with Ankit Goyal, who is an investor and a marketing guy. How are you, Ankit?
All good.
So, which asset class you currently are trading or investing in? Is it crypto, stocks, equity, commodities, and forex?
It's in crypto only.
Okay. So, you are a trader or an investor?
Investor.
Okay. So, what are your top 3 picks as an investment option in crypto market?
One is Bitcoin.
Okay.
Second is Ethereum.
Okay.
Third is Sui.
Okay. So, till date, what is the highest return you made till date?
I think it's 8x that I've made in Sui.
Oh, great. Apart from these coins, do you have any interest in meme coins?
I'm not bullish on meme coins, but I think bread is something that I'm bullish on. I think this is the only coin on base that can go up to maybe 3-4x easily. जो अभी उसका प्राइस है.
Lastly, one single advice for those who are beginner to the crypto market.
यार पूरा पैसा कभी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है. स्मॉल स्टार्ट करना है. SIPs करो. I would recommend, and whenever you can book your profit. Do not be so greedy कि यार अभी 10x जाएगा, 15x जाएगा, क्योंकि मार्केट में हमारा जो क्रिप्टो का सेंटिमेंट है या फिर जो नैरेटिव चलता है वही चलता है कि 10x जाएगा, 15x जाएगा, 100x जाएगा. That is not true. That can go, but उसके लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा टाइमली एंटर करना पड़ता है मार्केट में, जब तक वो सेंट्रलाइज एक्सचेंजेस पे लिस्ट भी नहीं होते हैं कॉइन्स, राइट? एंड फॉर अ बिगिनर इट इज नॉट फिजिबल. तो आई वुड रिकमेंड स्टार्ट स्मॉल, बुक योर प्रॉफिट व्हेनेवर इट इज पॉसिबल. डोंट बी सो ग्रीडी.
Always remember, learn करो, trade करो, then grow करो.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello traders. I'm here with Manish Srivastava, who's a trader and a marketing guy. How are you, Manish?
I'm good.
So first question, which asset class do you trade in more? Like it's crypto, it's equity market, stocks हो गया, then we have commodities and forex.
Stocks.
Okay, so how you define yourself? Like you are a trader or an investment?
I was investor as well, and last 1 year I'm trading.
Okay, so अभी जो current market situation चल रही है उसके ऊपर आपके क्या विचार है?
उसके विचार ये है यार, पोर्टफोलियो सबका 30-40% डाउन है. दैट इज अ बैड थिंग. बट यस, वाइल ट्रेडिंग तो आई बेसिस ऑन द मार्केट सेंटिमेंट, आई बाय और सेल द स्टॉक एंड देन विद इन द सेम डे बाय और सेल अगेन, मेकिंग प्रॉफिट्स.
Okay. So चलिए प्रॉफिट्स की बात आई है तो आपका वन डे, अगर मैं डे ट्रेडिंग की बात करता हूँ तो हाईएस्ट रिटर्न आपने क्या निकाला है?
अराउंड 75,000.
ग्रेट. और लॉसेस की भी बात कर ली जाए इस बात पे?
इलेक्शन डे 1.3 lakhs.
ओह शिट. तो चलिए ये बात तो हो गई. अब इसी के लिए हम लेके आते हैं कि भाई लॉसेस ना हो, इसके लिए आप कोई भी एक एडवाइस जो एक बिगिनर को देना चाहे.
Main advice is, whenever you trade, set your stop loss and your take profit. Do not enter any trade without any stop loss. And this is the biggest mistake for me. That's why I lose 1.3 lakh in a day.
Okay. Thank you for so much advice. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Today I am with Harsh Parikh, who is a crypto enthusiast and a cybersecurity expert. Let's ask some questions. Hi Harsh, how are you?
I'm good, man.
So here's the first question. Which asset class do you want to trade in or invest in and why?
I would invest in crypto.
Okay.
Reason being, it is globally available.
Okay.
Second thing, it is not controlled by one single entity, and those are the two major reasons why I like crypto the most.
Okay, so talking about crypto, what are your top 3 crypto picks?
Bitcoin,
Okay.
second is Ethereum,
Okay.
and third is Polygon.
Made in India.
Made in India, obviously.
Okay, lastly, any single advice you want to give to those who are beginners in the crypto market field?
Don't fall for scams. Don't go for scams like कि ज़्यादा आपको क्रिप्टो मिल जाएंगे. एयर ड्रॉप्स के नाम पे स्कैम हो जाते हैं. टेलीग्राम से दूर रहो related to crypto. Don't go for any tips or advice. Don't sign up for platforms which give you like hypothetical leverage. ये सब चीजों से दूर रहो. Trade on platforms that you know well. Trade on platforms that you trust, and make sure that you're also aware of what's going on in the market rather than just falling for a scam again.
Okay. Thank you so much, Harsh, for all the advices and all. Thank you so much.